Jury duty allows you, as an American citizen, the unique opportunity to participate in the judicial process and to help maintain a balanced system of government that is vital to our democracy. We know your time is valuable, and although you'll likely experience a lot of waiting around today, know that there is a lot going on behind the scenes, and your presence here today plays a vital role in helping the court conduct its business. Cobb Superior Court is the highest level court in Cobb County. At this time, we'd like to introduce to you the judges serving the Superior Court of Cobb County. Judge Robert D. Leonard. Judge Leonard has been a Superior Court judge since 2012. Prior to that, he served on the bench in the Cobb County State Court. Before getting into public service, he was the managing partner of a local law firm in Marietta. He received both his undergraduate and law degrees from the University of Kentucky. Judge A. Gregory Poole. Judge Poole has been a Superior Court judge since 2013. Prior to joining the Superior Court bench, Judge Poole served for 10 years as a Cobb County juvenile court judge. He practiced law from 1985 to 2003. He's a graduate of Presbyterian College and the Cumberland School of Law at Samford University. Judge Ann B. Harris. Judge Harris was elected to the Superior Court bench in July of 2014 after serving here in Cobb as an assistant district attorney for 19 years. She presides over Cobb County's Parental Accountability Court, an alternative to incarceration that seeks to transform chronic non-payers of child support into self-sufficient, financially supportive parents. Judge Harris is also a part of the cooperative effort with the Republic of Georgia and the U.S. State Department to promote the independence of the Georgia judiciary and to strengthen the rule of law in that country. Judge Harris earned her law degree from Vanderbilt University and her bachelor's degree from Auburn University. Judge Kimberly A. Childs. Judge Childs started her career as a jail guard, then a paralegal. While working, she attended Georgia State University's College of Law at night, graduating magna cum laude. After law school, Judge Childs litigated complex business and commercial disputes. Judge Childs was elected to the Superior Court in May of 2016. Judge Childs presides over the Drug Treatment Court, which is an accountability court designed to manage individuals with substance addiction by providing an alternative to the traditional justice system. Judge Kelly S. Hill. Judge Hill was elected to the Superior Court bench in June of 2020 after serving on the Cobb County Magistrate Court since November of 2016. Prior to her election, she dedicated 22 years of service as a prosecuting attorney in both Fulton and DeKalb counties and has been the lead attorney on many notable and complex cases in the state of Georgia, including the Fulton County Courthouse shootings. Throughout her 22 years of service, Judge Hill has held positions including Chief Trial Assistant District Attorney, Director of the Public Integrity Unit, and Chief Senior District Attorney over the Trial Division. She obtained her law degree from Rutgers University School of Law and her bachelor's from the University of Pennsylvania. Judge Angela Z. Brown. Judge Brown is a native of Philadelphia and is the proud daughter of a public school teacher and a Tuskegee Airman. She graduated from the Philadelphia High School for Girls in 1985 and from Brown University in 1989. After being awarded the Dean's Outstanding Scholar Full Academic Scholarship, Judge Brown attended the University of San Diego Law School, where she received her JD in 1993. Judge Brown is actively involved with legal and community work organizations, including the Georgia Association of Women Lawyers, Georgia Association of Black Women Lawyers, and the Cobb County Bar Association. Judge Jason D. Marbut. Judge Marbut was elected to the Cobb Superior Court bench in 2020. Prior to that, he was a prosecutor in Cobb County for 15 years. Judge Marbut was a teacher before he was a lawyer. He taught math and science at a public elementary school in Newark, New Jersey, and psychology in Honolulu, Hawaii. He received a BA in psychology from the University of Pennsylvania and his law degree from the Emory School of Law. Judge Henry R. Thompson. Judge Thompson was born and raised in Carroll County, Georgia, graduating from Emory University in 1990 and earning his law degree from the University of Georgia School of Law in 1994. As he graduated, he opened a private law practice in Athens and then accepted a position as Assistant District Attorney for the Western Judicial Circuit, covering the Athens, Clark, and Oconee County area, where he served from January of 95 to September of 2000. In October of 2000 through 2003, he served as an assistant district attorney in Cobb County before becoming a partner in a criminal defense practice in Marietta. In 2006, Judge Thompson returned to the Cobb District Attorney's Office as a senior assistant district attorney. He was then appointed to the Cobb County State Court bench in February of 2013 by Governor Nathan Deal and was reelected in 2014 and 2018. Judge Thompson was appointed by Governor Kemp to fulfill the new judgeship in Cobb County effective January 1st, 2022. Judge D. Victor Reynolds. Judge Reynolds was appointed by Governor Kemp as a Superior Court judge in the Cobb Judicial Circuit on August 15th of 2022. He is the former director of the Georgia Bureau of Investigation, serving from 2019 until his recent appointment. At the GBI, he oversaw approximately 1,000 employees. Vic is also the former district attorney of Cobb County, having been elected twice in 2012 and 2016. He was a partner in the law firm of Berry and Reynolds before serving as DA, and he was previously served as Cobb County's chief magistrate judge. Vic began his career as a police officer in his hometown of Rome, Georgia. He's married to his wife, Holly. They have 2 grown daughters. They reside in Marietta with their lab, TJ. Vic has been involved in numerous civic and professional organizations, and he has been published in many local, state, and national publications. He is the co-author of Georgia Objections at Trial. Judge Julie Adams Jacobs. Judge Jacobs was appointed to serve as a Cobb County Superior Court judge on August 15th of 2022. Before being appointed to this position, Judge Jacobs served in the Georgia Attorney General's office for almost 20 years. She began her legal career in the criminal division, where she handled trials in superior courts across Georgia and numerous criminal appeals in the Georgia Supreme Court. While at the Attorney General's office, Judge Jacobs also worked in the business and finance section, where she represented the state of Georgia in various complex civil litigation matters in both state and federal courts. Judge Jacobs was quickly promoted to become the section chief of the business and finance section in the AG's office and later became the Deputy Attorney General of Commercial Transactions and Litigation. As Deputy Attorney General, Judge Jacobs managed more than 40 attorneys and support staff. Her responsibilities included the management of the financial and property interests of state government in the areas of business and finance, tax, real property, construction, and transportation. The Fulton County Daily Report recognized Judge Jacobs with the 2016 On the Rise Award as one of the top 25 attorneys in Georgia under the age of 40. She's a member of the 2019 class of Leadership Cobb and the 2020 class of Honorary Commanders. Judge Jacobs is a 2003 graduate of Emory University School of Law, and she received her undergraduate degree from the Georgia State University. Judge Jacobs is a longtime resident of Cobb County, where she lives with her husband and 2 children. Judge Sonia N. Brown. Judge Brown was elected on June 21, 2022, and began her Superior Court service on January 1st of 2023, having served as a full-time judge on the Cobb County Magistrate Court. Before her appointment to the bench, Judge Brown served as a prosecutor for 14 years and began her legal career as a paralegal contracts administrator before being promoted to staff counsel at a local technology company. Judge Brown is active in several national and local bar associations, including the Cobb Bar Association, and she is past president of the Georgia Association of Black Women Attorneys. A firm believer in giving back, Judge Brown serves her community through many different philanthropic endeavors, including serving on the board of directors of the Tommy Nobis Center. She's an active member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. Judge Brown has received numerous awards and accolades. However, of all the positions he holds, she is most proud of being an aunt to her nieces and nephews. Judge Brown earned her Juris Doctor at the Atlanta's John Marshall Law School, a Master of Arts in Christian Practice degree from the Duke Divinity School, and her Bachelor of Arts degree in Mass Media Arts from Clark Atlanta University. For more information regarding our Superior Court judges, you can visit our website at cobbcounty.org/superior-court. During a jury trial, the judge acts similar to a referee, ensuring a fair and impartial trial for all parties involved in a case. The judicial process is complex and involves multiple entities working together to ensure the efficiency of our court system. Many of these individuals you will see during your time here. Upon arriving at the courthouse, you likely came into contact with deputies working for our elected sheriff, Craig Owens. The sheriff's office oversees courthouse security and assigns deputies to every courtroom to help maintain a safe and secure environment. Sitting in front of the judge during court proceedings, you will find the courtroom clerk and the court reporter. The courtroom clerk works for your elected clerk of the Superior Court, Connie Taylor. The clerk's office is the official record keeper of the court and maintains all evidence and legal documents related to each case filed in Cobb County. During a trial, the clerk assigned to the courtroom will ensure all evidence presented is properly admitted and stored in the clerk's office. The court reporter is responsible for making an official record of everything spoken during a court proceeding. They do this by using specialized machines that enables them to produce official transcripts of court hearings. Each courtroom is assigned a bailiff that maintains order in the courtroom and ensures the efficiency of court proceedings. The bailiff is responsible for escorting jurors to and from the courtroom while assisting the judge throughout the jury trial process. Parties involved in the case will sit at tables inside the well of the courtroom. In a legal action, the person bringing forth the complaint is referred to as the plaintiff and will typically be seated at the table closest to the jury box. In criminal proceedings, the district attorney's office is the party bringing forth the complaint. Your district attorney for Cobb County is Flynn D. Brody Jr. The district attorney's office prosecutes crimes committed in Cobb County and assigns prosecuting attorneys to every courtroom to prosecute these cases. The party against whom the complaint is being made is known as the defendant. The defendant, along with their attorney, if they chose to be represented, will be seated at the table furthest away from the jury box. When a courtroom is ready to begin the jury trial, the judge will request multiple jury panels to report to the courtroom to participate in a process known as voir dire. During voir dire, prospective jurors are asked questions from the judge and attorneys from both sides to determine their qualifications and suitability to serve without bias. After the jury has been selected, the trial will begin with opening statements, during which time both parties will have the opportunity to present their case to the jury. After opening statements, each side will have the opportunity to call witnesses and present evidence supporting their case. Jurors can only hear testimony and review evidence the judge rules admissible. If the judge needs to rule on certain matters outside the presence of the jury, they will be directed to leave the courtroom. After all evidence has been presented, each attorney can make a closing argument that can persuade the jury in their favor before jury deliberations begin. After closing arguments are completed, the judge informs the jury of the law that applies to the case. The jury will be escorted to the jury room to begin deliberations, during which time jurors have the opportunity to review all of the evidence presented, discuss the case, and reach a verdict. Here at Cobb Superior Court, our goal is to ensure a positive jury experience, and we strive to keep you as informed as possible regarding your jury service. To prevent jurors from having to report each day, Juror Administration utilizes a call-in system that provides jurors with daily reporting instructions for your assigned pool group. Unless you are picked on a jury trial, you are required to call this system daily for reporting instructions. Juror instructions can also be sent to you via email. Please visit our website to sign up for those email notifications. You can also sign up by scanning the QR code located on your jury summons. Daily juror instructions can also be found on our website at cobbcounty.org/Superior Court Jury. Jury Administration can be reached Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can call 770-528-1757, or you can email us at superiorcourtjury@cobbcounty.org. At the end of your jury service, you will receive a check and verification of attendance reflecting the days you are physically here. You can also access a copy of your verification by visiting our website at the conclusion of your jury service. The verification can be used as documentation for work absences. Checks along with verifications of attendances will be mailed to the home address we have on file for you. Therefore, it's important to make sure the information we have on file is correct in order for us to mail your check and verification in a timely manner. Again, we thank you for your jury service and welcome you to Cobb County Superior Court.